Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a color block nail design using Totally Dipp'd dip powders. So let's get right into the video. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Pro Dip Prep to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I applied a thin layer of base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I poured the clear dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then poured the clear dip powder on my nail. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. I'm using Totally Dipp'd Plum Crazy, which is a dark purple with gold flakes. However, on camera and even in person it looks black to me. So I applied a thin layer of base to my index nail and then I dipped into the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. It reached full opacity on the first layer. I do believe I did a 3rd layer off camera. Then moving on to the pinky nail, I did the same thing. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. If you'd like to purchase from Totally Dipp'd, you can use my code to get 15% off. It will be in the description below. If you have used my code in the past, please note that my code has changed, so the new one is listed below. Moving on to the ring finger, I placed some tape off camera and then I applied my base liquid and poured the dip powder on the nail. I did 3 layers of that, then removed the tape. I did 2 more layers afterwards, then applied activator and filed to get a neater line. Then I placed tape again on the nail, and now I'm using the beautiful nude shimmer dip powder called Cherael. I did 2 layers, then removed the tape. then applied activator and filed. I placed tape over the nude area because this dark purple, the powder is really pigmented, so I wanted to protect the color, and I did 3 layers of the dark purple. Now onto the middle finger, I did another color block, so I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. In a container, I placed some of the nude dip powder and the dark purple dip powder and swirled it together to get the marble effect. Then I placed base on the nude area of the ring finger and laid my finger into the marble mixture. At first I thought I messed up because it was looking horrible. But when I applied the activator, I saw the marble and it looked so cute. Activator always saves the day in my opinion. I did the same for my middle finger. I had to place my finger in all different positions to get the marble mixture on my finger because I didn't want to waste the dip powders, so I placed a little bit in the container. Now I encapsulated the nails with my Totally Dipp'd clear dip powder. So while encapsulating the nails, I realized that the clear dip powder left the nails white. This usually happens when encapsulating dark colors. It could have been because I didn't brush off the excess clear dip powder as soon as, or it probably just happens. But to fix the issue, I applied activator in between layers to remove it. So I had to wait about a minute to apply my second layer of base liquid and clear dip powder. I believe I did about 4 layers of the clear dip powder in total. The reason I had to wait a minute or so before applying my base liquid again is because if base gets into contact with activator, it will harden the base brush. So that's why you have to wait about a minute before applying your second layer of base liquid. Right here I was experimenting to see if I dusted off the clear right away whether that would have made a difference, and it would have made a difference, but there were still white particles on the nail, just not as much. Now I apply my activator to all of my nails and waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. So now I placed some 3D striping tape on the nails off camera. Then I applied my Mother One's top coat and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the design. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.